Let us get into it right now. Only the ones who picked the right cabin got to enjoy the entire trip for free. That means if you pick the wrong cabin, you are literally throwing thousands of dollars straight into the ocean. And trust me, most people have absolutely no idea they are making these mistakes. We tested every single cabin type, from the cheapest inside rooms to the most expensive suites, and what we discovered will completely change how you book your next cruise. I am talking about secrets that cruise lines do not want you to know. Things like which cabins will have you sprinting to the bathroom at 3 a.m., which ones will shake so badly you cannot sleep. That is the sweet spot right there, and it is absolutely worth it. Starting with the biggest decision you will ever make on a cruise ship, picking where your cabin actually sits. If you get motion sickness, listen up because this is huge. You need a midship cabin on one of the lower decks. The center of the ship barely moves compared to the front or back, and lower decks sit so close to the waterline that the rocking is almost completely gone. This one single choice could be the difference between the best vacation of your life and spending the whole trip feeling terrible. Now here is something nobody talks about, and I cannot believe more people do not know this. Being close to the elevator sounds amazing, right? Super convenient after crazy long days at the ports. But here is the thing. Elevator areas have constant foot traffic, door chimes going off, and people talking loudly in the hallways at literally every hour of the night. That one extra step makes all the difference. Always check the deck plans before you finalize your booking. Many cruisers skip this step entirely and end up regretting it. Cabins located directly below the pool deck can be plagued by the sound of dragging chairs and splashing water starting as early as 6 in the morning. Cabins beneath the buffet area deal with constant foot traffic and the rumble of food carts rolling overhead throughout the day. And if your cabin sits below the nightclub, expect thumping music well past midnight. These are not rare complaints. They show up in cruise reviews constantly. The good news is that avoiding these problem spots is simple. Head to your cruise line's official website, pull up the ship's deck plan, and cross-reference your exact cabin number with what sits directly above it. Now let's talk about one of the most misunderstood booking decisions you will face. Guaranteed cabins versus specifically chosen cabins. When you select a guaranteed cabin, you are essentially telling the cruise line to assign you any available cabin within your chosen category. The upside? You might score a free upgrade to a higher category than what you paid for. Sounds great, right? But here is the catch. The cruise line controls that assignment completely, meaning you could end up near the engine room, directly below the nightclub, or at the very front of the ship where motion is strongest. So when does the gamble make sense? Book guaranteed when the sailing is nearly full, as upgrades become more likely. It also works well if you genuinely have no strong location preferences. However, if you are prone to seasickness or traveling with young children, always choose your cabin specifically. Control beats chance every single time. Now that you know how to choose the right cabin, let's talk about what to bring to make it feel like home. Cruise cabins are notoriously short on storage and outlets, but a few smart packing choices can completely transform your experience. First, pack an over-the-door shoe organizer. It is not just for shoes. Use it to store sunscreen, toiletries, snacks, and accessories. It instantly creates extra storage without taking up any floor space. Next, bring magnetic hooks. Most cruise ship walls and ceilings are metal, meaning magnets stick perfectly. Use them to hang bags, lanyards, or wet swimsuits. A power strip with USB ports is absolutely essential. Most cabins offer only 1 or 2 outlets, which is never enough for modern travelers with multiple devices. Finally, toss a small nightlight into your bag. Navigating a pitch-black cabin at 3 in the morning without waking your travel partner is something every cruiser will appreciate. That connection to the outside air and open view instantly makes your interior space feel significantly more spacious and refreshing. First, slide your luggage completely under the bed once you've unpacked. Most cruise beds sit high enough to store even large suitcases underneath, instantly freeing up valuable floor space throughout your stay. Speaking of unpacking, do it fully on day 1. Living out of a suitcase makes even a decent-sized cabin feel chaotic and cramped. When everything has a proper place, the room genuinely feels larger and more like home. Running low on closet space? Simply call your cabin steward and request extra hangars. They always have plenty available and are happy to help. Finally, if you have a balcony cabin, keep that sliding door open whenever weather permits. Match your cabin type to your actual itinerary and travel style, because this is where a lot of cruisers either spend wisely or waste serious money. A balcony is absolutely worth the extra cost on longer voyages of 7 nights or more, and especially on scenic routes like Alaska, Norway, or the Caribbean. Waking up to glaciers calving right outside your private space or watching fjords drift past with your morning coffee is genuinely priceless. On these cruises, you will actually use that balcony every single day. However, if you are heading on a 3 or 4 night party cruise to the Bahamas, honestly, an interior cabin makes far more financial sense. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated cruise secrets, and that is your relationship with your cabin steward. These hard-working crew members are absolute game changers when it comes to your overall experience, and most guests never take full advantage of this. On day 1, introduce yourself by name and learn their name too. It takes 30 seconds and makes a world of difference. Let them know your preferred cleaning schedule, whether you like your cabin freshened up in the morning or turned down in the evening. They genuinely appreciate the clarity, and it helps them manage their workload across dozens of cabins. Here is where it gets interesting. A small tip up front, even just $10 or $20, combined with a warm and friendly attitude, can unlock extra towel animals, surprise chocolates, special treats, and truly personalized service that other passengers simply never receive throughout the entire voyage. Getting quality sleep on a cruise ship can be challenging if you are not prepared. First, always pack earplugs or download a white noise app before you board. Ships have constant engine hum, hallway chatter, and neighboring cabin sounds that can seriously disrupt your rest, especially on the first night. If the mattress feels too firm or uncomfortable, do not just suffer through it. Simply ask your cabin steward for a foam mattress topper. Most cruise lines have them available and will bring one right to your room without any extra charge. Here is something most guests never realize. You can actually request that the twin beds be pushed together to form a king, or separated back into singles depending on your travel group. Whether you are traveling as a couple or with a friend, this simple adjustment can make your sleeping arrangement far more comfortable throughout the entire voyage. Now here are some genuinely surprising secrets that most cruisers never find out until it is too late. First, you can request extra pillows, blankets, and toiletries at absolutely no charge. Just ask your cabin steward and they will take care of it. No questions asked. Second, that minibar sitting in your cabin does not have to stay stocked with overpriced drinks. On most cruise lines, you can ask to have it completely emptied so you can store your own beverages and snacks purchased at port. This alone can save you a significant amount of money throughout the voyage. Third, room service is available around the clock on most major cruise lines. Depending on the time of day, it can even be completely free. Late-night snacks or early morning coffee delivered right to your door without spending a single extra dollar is absolutely something worth taking advantage of. Many guests assume privacy is automatic, but verifying this yourself ensures complete peace of mind throughout your entire voyage. First, always keep your cabin door locked, even when you are inside. It sounds simple, but many guests get too relaxed on board and forget this basic rule. Next, use the in-room safe every single day. Store your passports, extra cash, and valuables inside rather than leaving them out in the open. Most safes are large enough to fit a standard laptop as well. When you first board the ship, walk from your cabin directly to your assigned muster station so you know the exact route without thinking during an emergency. That short walk could matter more than you realize. Finally, if you are traveling with family and booked connecting cabins, always check that the connecting door locks properly from your side. And there you have it. 21 cabin tips and secrets that can completely transform your cruise experience. From choosing the right location on the ship to building a great relationship with your cabin steward, every single detail matters more than most people realize. The biggest takeaway here is simple. Plan ahead. Do not just book the cheapest available cabin and hope for the best. Take time to study the deck plans, understand what each cabin category offers, and pack those small but game-changing extras like magnetic hooks and a power strip. Whether you are a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, The right cabin choice sets the tone for your entire vacation. Now we want to hear from you. Drop your own cabin tips and secrets in the comments below. We read every single one. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe for more cruise travel advice every week. Bon voyage.